Bullish Aave cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $394.76 and $745.65 by 2030. Market experts accept Aave could reach $307.03 by 2025. Bearish Aave market cost expectation for 2023 is $70.18. Aave presentation. Aave has become well known as one of the main conventions for decentralized crypto advances consistently. Aave has set up a good foundation for itself as a powerful stage that is constantly refreshed and improved. Through different administrations, Aave's clients might get and loan an assortment of digital forms of money. Aave is one of the 6 biggest decentralized finance drives, as per DeFi Llama, because of numerous loan specialists securing in their coin. Holders of the Aave token get decreased stage costs, and may likewise involve it as an administration token. What is Aave? Business visionary Stani Kilichov decided to make his own advance application in 2017 when there weren't any on Ethereum. To empower individuals to loan and get Ether, ETH Lend was created. In any case, when the undertaking ventured into a few digital currencies, the moniker was presently not suitable. In September 2018, Kilichov changed the task's name to Aave. In English, the Finnish expression Aave, and that signifies phantom, represents the stage's objective of fostering an open, straightforward framework for decentralized banking. By offering interest, Aave urges its clients to get digital currency into liquidity pools. Borrowers can leave the pool, however, a greater measure of security is required. As such, over-collateralization is the giving of guarantee that is more important than planned misfortunes in default circumstances. You might get cash from Aave without giving any security. Clients can get a cryptographic money through a Blaze credit, which should be reimbursed inside a block. With a Blaze credit, borrowers might exploit the different estimating being given at different trades. To make this technique as speedy and straightforward as could really be expected, the token was made. Aave crucial investigation. Stani Kilichov laid out the Swiss firm Aave in 2017. Under the moniker ETH Lend, the organization sold 1 billion Aave, recently known as loan, in an ICO that collected about $16.2 million. For the Aave group, the excess 300 million Aave units were kept. Aave is constrained by a decentralized organization of PCs utilizing shrewd agreements over Ethereum blockchain. The essential usefulness of the Aave stage is the production of a loaning pool that empowers clients to loan and get different digital forms of money. The borrower stores the resources they wish to loan, and the resources are subsequently conveyed to a pool from which they can get a credit. Aave has sent off 2 unmistakable kinds of tokens to make this technique significantly less complex. The moneylenders were given tokens to gather revenue on stores. The local badge of the stage is Aave token. Holders of Aave tokens have additional advantages, for example, the capacity to get cash without being charged an expense, and to get cash with lower costs, and a higher credit limit in the event that they vow Aave as security. Aave, then again, empowers street credits, which might be allowed immediately and paid with the requirement for insurance. Aave current cost. Aave is at present worth $87.72 USD. Aave has moved 0.73% as of now with an exchanging volume of $137,961,552. Aave is at present positioned 42 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,233,130,439 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Aave to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Aave market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Aave value expectation 2023. Aave, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Aave cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $131.59. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $122.81 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Aave is supposed to have a base worth of $105.27. Aave value forecast 2024. In 2024, Aave cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Aave will before long outperform $219.31. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the Aave's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Aave will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $175.45 and a typical exchanging cost of $192.99. Aave value expectation 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $307.03 and Aave might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Aave is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $280.72 and a low of $263.17 in 2025. Aave value expectation 2026. Assuming Aave effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the Aave coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Aave will be green in 2026. The Aave is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $394.76, with a base cost of $350.89 and a typical cost of $368.44. Aave value forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Aave cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $456.16 by 2027, with a base cost of $438.62 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Aave has a greatest value worth of $482.48. Aave value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $543.89. In the event that Aave figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $570.20. Neglecting to accumulate the help Aave needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $526.34. Aave value forecast 2029. While Aave is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $614.06 and a yearly cost close above $657.93 in 2029. Aave value expectation 2030. By 2030, Aave will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $701.79 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $745.65, averaging out at $719.33. Aave value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Aave cost in 2031 is projected to be $859.69 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $824.60. End.